How to make a voice call in Wire Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire Messenger and looking to make your first voice call, then first of all, launch open the Wire Messenger app on your device. Sign into your account if not already logged in, and from the main conversation page, open the chat or conversation with the person you want to make a voice call to. Now, you'll see a little video camera icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. You will now be able to call the person. Make sure that your microphone is turned on from the bottom menu. To make a voice call, do not turn on your camera. If you do so, it will be a video call. If you just want a voice call, then just make sure the camera is turned off and you can speak with the help of the microphone and talk to the person. After you are done with the conversation, you can tap on the hang up button, and that's it. That's how you make your voice call in Wire Messenger. It is straightforward and fast. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.